Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Just yesterday, I think it was, I made a video on nodes, and then one of my subscribers, and whenever you make nodes, these are straight nodes, but you can change them. So the way I did it in the previous video, you click on it, you right click, you turn it into a curve. You actually, for this to work, you need to turn them all into curves. But then to change it to a cusp, you can either change it up here or go line, smooth, or symmetrical. It's actually a cusp. But if you want to toggle between smooth and symmetrical, if I click on that and hit S, now that node becomes a smooth node. If I toggle again with S, then it's a symmetrical node. And if I hit C, it goes back to a cusp. This would be very handy. So just the letter C on your keyboard, the letter S on your keyboard, and you can change, like right here, this is a cusp. We want to make it symmetrical. So I'm going to hit S, and it's this is actually smooth, and then hit the S again. I wasn't hitting the right key. So this is very, very handy. I thank that viewer or subscriber for giving me that tip. I never had heard of that before. I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.